This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the right OS map and placing it flat. This matters because scale and grid affect every decision. Once done, identify the grid lines and the map's legend so you know symbols at a glance. Make sure to note your start grid reference and orient the map to north with your compass. Then mark your intended route lightly with a pencil. This gives you a clear first plan to follow in the field. You now plot precise points using six-figure grid references so you can find locations within about 100 meters. After plotting, measure distance with a ruler or map measurer and convert to walking time using terrain multipliers. Steeper ground needs more time. While doing this, examine contour patterns to identify ridges, saddles, and steep slopes, and mark safe alternatives for tricky sections. Make sure to record estimated times and key checkpoints on the map for easier navigation. You follow the route by taking compass bearings from the map's grid and adjusting for local magnetic variation if necessary. Once moving, verify your location often by triangulating with 2 or 3 visible features. This confirms you're on track. If things go wrong, stop and reorient the map to the terrain, then retrace to the last confirmed grid reference rather than guessing forward. And if you can't regain position, prioritize signaling for help. A single careful check prevents most navigation errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.